Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials: an email or phone for codes and a secure password. Open account. Microsoft. And click Create Account, enter the email or pick a new Outlook address. Once done, provide your name and birth date so Microsoft can tailor regional settings. Make sure to read the brief privacy prompts. You will receive a verification code. Pause and retrieve it from your email or phone before continuing to avoid session timeouts. Next, you verify identity and lock down security. After entering the code, enable two-step verification or install the Microsoft Authenticator app. This adds a one-time code layer that prevents password-only breaches. Once activated, register an alternate email and phone number so you can recover access if you forget credentials. Make sure to review connected services, Xbox, OneDrive, Teams, and accept permissions deliberately. Finally, you complete profile and sync settings to make the account usable everywhere. Visit your Microsoft account dashboard to update profile picture, language, and privacy controls, and enable device sync for seamless access across Windows, Office, and mobile apps. Make sure to review app permissions and sign-in devices. Remove anything unfamiliar. If you encounter problems signing in, use the account recovery form and the alternate email or phone you added. This single tip usually resolves lockouts quickly when verification codes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.